Okay, so I'm getting ready to do a house call and diagnose a vehicle. I don't normally do house calls, but this customer has a great service plan called We Go to Conventions Together and We Have Shared Trauma. So I'm just gathering some tools I'll need. My general tool bag with some wrenches and screwdrivers and an impact driver. Scan tool. Multimeter. Flashlight. Boost pack. And most importantly, a skateboard. Okay, so let's get over there and see what the problem is. And of course, before we do anything, this has been sitting a while, so let's make sure it's got some oil in it. And it does. Looks like it had an oil change actually probably recently before it was sitting. So this is a no start condition and the vehicle has no power. So we are going to find out if the battery is even worth boosting. Multimeter set to 20 volts. That is a whopping half a volt. So that battery's no good. So to continue testing, we're going to need another car battery. But where am I going to get another car battery? Okay, so it runs. Next thing to check is the alternator, and that's an easy way to check with the multimeter again. So to check the alternator, we're just going to use the multimeter again. Set to 20 volts. And check the voltage. 1441. So that means it's charging, which means the alternator is probably good. So there's a code, a P2118, throttle actuator control. So we'll have to look into that. Could be nothing, could need a new something. Okay, so it looks like it's in pretty good shape. It runs with the battery just fine, and it only has the one code, so we're going to look into that code more, and the owner's going to get a battery, and that seems like we're good.